If you want to enhance your security on Discord by removing old devices, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your connected devices effectively. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or access it via a web browser by going to the Discord website and logging into your account. Step 2. Access user settings. Once you are logged in, locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, next to your username. Click on this icon to open the user settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to security settings. In the user settings menu, scroll down and find the privacy and safety section. Click on it, then look for the security subsection to access your security settings. Step 4. View connected devices. Within the security settings, you will find a section that lists all devices currently connected to your Discord account. Review this list to identify any old or unrecognized devices. Step 5. Remove all devices. To remove a device, click on the Remove or Log Out option next to the device you want to disconnect. Confirm your choice if prompted, and the device will be removed from your account. By following these steps, you can ensure that only your current devices have access to your Discord account, enhancing your overall security.